I wish I had one of these career forums when I was at Sydney University. That was 10 years ago. But you guys should be happy that your university looks after you in that aspect. So when I was at Sydney University, obviously a little bit more than 10 years ago, I was sitting in the back of a lecture room, still wondering where I'm going to be after I finish university. I chose the healthcare industry because I always felt that your healthcare is the utmost important thing in the world. Your healthcare and the healthcare of people around you. Because if there is something that you can look after, then you should be looking after it. Your health takes care of your mental health and your physical health. So this is why I chose this industry. Now, I still had no clue what my job role or title, whatever you want to call it, was. I just knew I wanted to be in that industry. So when I finished, I got a job at Clean Plus Chemicals, and that's actually a detergents manufacturer, but it wasn't where I wanted to be, but I learned a few skills there. Which was just working on a small project and did a bit of customer service there. This was in the global financial crisis, so it was very difficult trying to find a job where you wanted to be and without having really much experience. So eventually got a job just when I was about to give up on everything, working for Sanofi Ventus just up the road, doing product complaints and product release. I was there for just about 4.5 years and learnt a lot of things, made a lot of connections throughout the company in Australia and worldwide. Often when I was overseas, I'd pop into manufacturing facilities and say hello. And I developed an interest in manufacturing. I thought, this is very important. I do love manufacturing because it was where all the action was. So not long after that, I found a job at AstraZeneca, just down the road as well. Haven't really moved far, have I? So I worked in the Respules manufacturing division, which is for respiratory drugs. And this was a sterile manufacturing facility. And there's a lot of regulations, very heavily regulated area of the pharmaceutical industry. And I learnt a lot of things. Now, I developed this thing called job satisfaction. So, it's something that I'll talk about in a minute. But I went from that company, went into the biotech industry and this biopharma company called Merck Serono. This was going back into the commercial area, but I did always want to go back into manufacturing. So where am I now? I'm at Vitex Pharmaceuticals, which is a vitamins contract manufacturing facility and the largest of its kind in Australia. And I'm using all of the skills that I have ever learnt since the day I was born. This company treats me like one of its own family members. It's a family-owned business, and this thing means a lot to me. And all of the things I have learned, I'm actually putting to use. So I'm now managing a team of six officers who are fresh grads, like you soon will be. And we write up all of our clients' product specifications, who are all of the big vitamins brands that you'll know of. All of the product specifications, material specifications, and manufacturing instructions are all written by my team and overseen by myself. And we also have to test all of those materials, all of the ingredients that come into the factory, as well as all of the client's products once we make them. So this is all done by my team. And I just thought of a few points which helped me along my career path. I certainly didn't get much help, but you need to think about why you want to do what you want to do. This is the question that not many people ask themselves, but if you really dig deep inside yourself, thinking about why you are doing it is the most important thing. And your faith and perseverance, need to really help you continue doing what you're doing. And you need to set a long life goal, and you need to be satisfied in what you are doing. Your skills, communication skills, problem solving, what else are there? Statistics. Who hates statistics? If you can't convey your message to the people, you need to really look into how you are presenting what you are presenting. So statistics really help me. And your stakeholder management. Wine and dine all the people that you need to deal with, whether it's internal or external. Thank you very much.